How to remove the door panel of your 2014 RAV4? It's easy. Cover. Take that off. Use any flat screwdriver or plastic screw. Yes. Use flat screw or plastic clips. Phillips screw. One here. One here. This one is already out. One here. Then this. Plastic clips. Get another plastic clips. Oh, plastic tool in here, and then to shake it slowly. See, all the clips in there. There you go. So all these clips. Oh, what you should know, in order to remove it, this over there, green is in the bottom. Push it out, and right there. Make sure you know where to put it back, okay? And this is a plastic clip. Pull it, and right here. See this? Push and pull. Come on, lady. There. There you go. That's how to remove your door panel on your 2014 RAV4. Easy, easy. Now that's how you remove your side mirror too.